Thinking about taking a break from Facebook but not ready to say goodbye forever? You're in the right place. In the next few moments, I'll walk you through the easiest way to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account on Android while keeping your profile, photos, messages, and personal data completely safe. Opening the Facebook app and sign in if you haven't already. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. At the top of the page, open Account Center, where Facebook manages your account settings. Now tap Personal Details. If your app shows Manage Accounts instead, tap it first, then choose Manage beside the Facebook profile you want to deactivate. Next, select Deactivation or Deletion. Be sure to choose Deactivate Account, not Delete Account, since deletion permanently removes your account after the recovery period. Tap Continue, then enter your Facebook password to verify your identity. Facebook will ask why you're leaving, so choose the reason that best matches your situation. After that, you'll see the Auto Reactivation option. If you don't want Facebook to automatically reactivate your account after a certain number of days, select Don't Reactivate Automatically. This keeps your account deactivated until you decide to return. Finally, review your settings and tap Deactivate My Account. Facebook will log you out immediately and your profile will become invisible to other users. Your Messenger access may remain available depending on your settings, while your photos, videos, friends, and other account information stay safely stored. Whenever you're ready to come back, simply log in with your email or phone number and password, and your account will be restored exactly as you left it. And that's it. You've successfully deactivated your Facebook account without deleting it, giving yourself a break while keeping all your important data secure for the future.